Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna teach us how to create a fully functional WordPress website using our phone. Yeah, you heard me right. You can create a fully functional website with your phone free of charge. All you have to do is go to either your Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you go to your Apple Store, you download an application. Yeah, an application called WordPress. WordPress is an application that gives you a chance to build and host your website for free. Click to install the application and wait for it to install fully on your phone. And after installation, now open the application, click on login or sign up with WordPress. Yeah, click on that, then enter your email address. You can also continue with your Google account, but in this situation I'm using my email address to register. So you enter your email address and click continue. Yeah, click continue. Super easy. A sign up link will be sent to your email. Check your email, click on the link and continue with your registration. Okay, after clicking the link, this is where you'll be able to choose your username and create your password. So I'll choose my username here and create a unique password. I'm gonna blur the screen right now so as not to give out my information. So sorry about that. So I'm trying to create a password. Okay, I think I need to check that again. Sorry about that. All right, so after creating your password, make sure your password is strong, then click continue. Boom, your account is ready. Then click on create wordpress.com website. So after clicking that, yeah, okay, you can skip this. We get to choose that later. Then you choose a theme for your website. There are numerous themes here, nice themes that you can use for your website. So I'll choose one right now for a test. I think I'll go with quadrat. No, okay, then go back. All right, so I'll choose quadrat. Then after choosing your theme, you wait for it to load up. It's loading. Okay, since the network is slow. After choosing your theme, yeah, okay, this is where you get to choose your domain name. Yeah, you can choose and type the name of your site here and choose a domain. But the only restriction we have here is our free domain is hosted by WordPress. So for you to get to customize your domain, or you get a .com domain, you might need to pay for the premium plan of the WordPress. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're gonna get a free domain that will be a .wordpress.com domain, or probably a .blog, the food.blog domain. So I'm gonna get a domain name. Okay, so you choose your domain name, which is the domain name is your website name. After choosing your domain name, just take your time and choose a nice domain name out of the numerous options WordPress is gonna offer you. So I think I'll go with, okay, I'm trying to look for a nice, okay, I'll go with treasureWinestore.food.blog. So after choosing your domain name, click create site. Then it says, hooray, almost done, your site will be ready shortly. So what WordPress is trying to build up your site for you without stressing you. So this is what our website looks like. Then from here, you can customize the website as you like. So you click on OK, click on OK. Then this is your panel. This is where you customize your website. You can add pages to your website. This is the default home page. Then you click on it. We can edit the default home page from here. So all you'll be doing from here is drag and drop. You add blocks. You don't need any coding skills. You don't need to be a professional to get yourself a good website like this. So what we do is we edit this theme, we change the write-up, we change the pictures from here, and we add our own information. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna try to edit some of the write-up here and do some little tweak and change some pictures. Yeah, I'll change some pictures. And okay, let me check this. I think this website is cool. uh okay, let's add a picture. Let's add a picture to the website so that we can have a nice customization of our website. Okay, I'll try to add a picture right now. So in order to add a picture or whatever block you want to add to your website, you click on the plus button at the bottom left corner. Click on the plus button at the bottom left corner. So let's look for image right here. Okay, this is image right here. I'll click on image in order to add picture to the website. So we click on image. Once you click on image, it will be added to your website immediately. So this is the block we have added to our website. So from here we can edit. Okay, sorry about that. Then we can edit our image. Then we choose image. We either choose from our device or from the WordPress media gallery. So I'm choosing from my device. So I'll allow WordPress permission to access my device so that I can choose from the numerous images I have on my phone. So I think I'll choose one from here. Okay, this is okay. Yeah. So we have our image uploaded to the site. Then we can add a write-up to the image if you like. We can add a write-up to the image. I think this is cool. This is cool, yeah, this is cool. There are several things you can add to your image from here, either your YouTube, your Twitter, your search, blog, audio, social icon. So let's try to add something else. So the social icon, okay, you can link your Facebook to your website. You can link your Twitter or your Instagram to your website from here. Okay, you can also add several social media icon. Okay, let's click on the plus sign to see other numerous social media icon. You can see Amazon, Dropbox, LinkedIn, Mail. So let's try to add LinkedIn also to the site. Okay, click on LinkedIn. So you can see you can also add the URL to your LinkedIn profile page to add your LinkedIn to your website. So I think this is cool. Then you click update now to publish your site. I think our site is ready. Okay, let's do something else. Let's try to add another page to our website. So you click on add a page. So I think, okay, let me choose the blog pages. Okay, I'll choose the blog pages. Let's add the blog pages to a website. So click on create a page. So this is our blog pages loading up. Okay, yeah, our blog page is ready. So you can also edit this to your taste. You can add different thing about you, then you click on publish now. So let's try to view our site. Let's see what this site we're working on looks like. So click here to view your site. So this is our site fully ready and loading up. You can see our site is ready. You can see the image we added, the little changes we added to the write-up. Everything is now ready. If you give anybody this particular website address, treasureWinestore.food.blog, this is what they will see. So right now our site is fully ready and online. You can change the view to either the desktop view or the mobile view or the tablet view. I think that's all about the tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel, click the like button and share. Thank you.